Hello, this is a waste and recycling workshop for English learners in Manchester. Biffa collect waste and recycling bins in Manchester. There are 4 different coloured bins. Each colour is for a different type of waste. You can put organic waste in the green bin. That is all food and garden waste. Fruit and vegetables, meat and fish bones, raw or cooked, bread, eggshells, tea bags, leftover food, grass, weeds, flowers and leaves. Soil and bricks cannot go in the bin because it is too heavy. Take soil and bricks to the recycling centre if you cannot reuse them. The blue bin is for paper and cardboard. Scrap paper, cardboard boxes, cereal boxes, shopping receipts, envelopes and junk mail, and juice and food cartons. The brown bin is for plastic bottles, glass bottles and jars, and metal foil and cans. Plastic bottles for milk, juice, shampoo and soaps, glass jars for jams and pickled food, glass bottles for beer and milk, fizzy drink cans, tinned food, and foil trays and wrap. Remember, the only plastic we can recycle is bottle-shaped. Other types of plastic must go in the grey bin for general waste. The grey bin is for general waste items we cannot recycle. Cling film, plastic bags, yoghurt pots, fruit and meat trays and bottle lids. These plastic items are much lower quality than plastic bottles and cannot be recycled. Why should we recycle? To recycle means to reuse valuable materials. Recycling is very important for the environment. The natural resources we take from the earth to make our products are valuable. Recycling our products reduces the amount of natural resources we need, which saves energy and money. Recycling is an important way we can help reduce climate change. We also want to keep where we live tidy by putting materials into the right bin and preventing litter on the street. So, recycling is really important for our planet because we can save valuable resources like oil, metal rocks and trees. We save energy and money, and the energy we save is going to help reduce climate change. Do you need to get rid of large items such as fridges, beds and sofas? Do not leave these outside. This is called fly tipping and is illegal. If you are caught leaving rubbish outside, you could be fined. One option is to have a collection from charity shops. The British Heart Foundation offers a free collection service of large items. Furniture must come with fire labels. All furniture and electrical items must be clean and in good working condition. Book a free collection online or call the collection number. Another option is to take your large items to a recycling centre for free. You can find your nearest centre and opening times online. Another option is to arrange a collection from Manchester City Council. You can have one free collection of up to 3 items once per year. An additional 3 items costs £27 altogether. If you have a contaminated bin, you can include this as one of your 3 items. You can request your collection by visiting the council's website, clicking on bins, then clicking on get rid of large unwanted items. If you would like any more information or a visit into your class, please get in touch at recycle.manchester@biffa.co.uk. Thank you.